Have an M4V video file from iTunes purchases or rentals? This is Apple's video container similar to MP4 but with potential DRM protection. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these Apple iTunes video files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for M4V problems. See below for my top choice. The M4V file format is a video container developed by Apple, primarily used for content in the iTunes store, such as movies and TV shows. Users encounter M4V files when they purchase or download videos from Apple's ecosystem. It is very similar to the MP4 format, but may include Apple's FairPlay DRM protection. Based on the MPEG-4 Part 14 standard, the M4V container was designed by Apple to support features specific to its ecosystem, like DRM, chapter markers, and AC3 audio. This binary structure allows it to function identically to an MP4 when unprotected, ensuring broad compatibility, while enabling copy protection for commercial content. The native handling utility for M4V files is Apple TV by Apple Inc. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows supports mainstream codecs, but rare or proprietary ones require add-on packs. To guarantee file access, right-click your M4V file and select Open With. If Apple TV is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your M4V file is not opening yet, that is normal. If you're still with me, that M4V file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, playing in iTunes or Apple TV. Open M4V files in iTunes, on Windows, or the Apple TV app on macOS and modern Apple devices. These applications handle FairPlay DRM authentication automatically using your Apple ID. Sign into the same account that purchased the content for unrestricted playback on authorized devices. Next, using VLC Media Player. For non-DRM protected M4V files, VLC Media Player plays them directly without modification. Drag the file into VLC or use Media Open File. VLC handles the underlying H.264 and AAC streams in the M4V container, providing universal playback on any platform. Finally, renaming to MP4. For unprotected M4V files, simply rename the extension to MP4 for universal compatibility. Right-click, the file select. Rename and change M4V to MP4. The file plays in any video player without conversion since M4V and MP4 share the same container specification underneath. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.